Have you ever clicked a button in Odoo only to find that it saves changes you didn't want? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to stop your custom button from auto-saving in Odoo. I completely understand how annoying it can be when you expect to discard changes, but they get saved anyway. You're definitely not alone in this. Many users face this issue when working with custom buttons in Odoo. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "How can I prevent Odoo from saving temporary data when clicking my custom button?" They mentioned that after clicking their button, the field gets saved in the database, and the discard button has no effect. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So what could be causing this? When you click a button in Odoo, it often triggers a method that may unintentionally save changes. Understanding how Odoo handles button actions is key to resolving this issue. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you manage your custom buttons effectively. To prevent Odoo from saving temporary data when clicking the custom button, the user should modify the button's behavior in the view definition. This can be done by changing the button type to action instead of object. Next, the user needs to define an action for the button in the corresponding Python file. This action should not trigger a save operation on the record. Additionally, the user should ensure that the button does not call the default save method. This can be achieved by using the context parameter to control the behavior. Finally, the user should test the changes to confirm that clicking the button does not save the temporary data and that the discard button works as expected. Did you know? Odoo is used by thousands of businesses worldwide, but even the best systems can have quirks. You're not alone in facing these challenges. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests changing your button into a Boolean field and using an onChange method. This way, when you click the button, it won't save the temporary data. To keep the appearance of a button, you can style the label as a button and hide the actual checkbox. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. This user explains that in Odoo, when you click a button, the record is saved automatically before the method is executed. This means that any temporary changes are committed to the database, making the discard button ineffective. They highlight that in the sales quotation or order, the update link behaves similarly, saving the record and recalculating totals without performing any visible action. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always review your button methods and their effects on data saving. This simple habit can save you from unexpected data loss. And there you have it. You should now be able to control when your custom button saves data in Odoo. Remember, understanding your methods is key. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our bonus tip on optimizing your Odoo experience.